Okay, today we're going to check out the Fifine newest gaming gear. We're looking at the new H13 RGB gaming headset, the AM8 Pro microphone kit with the RGB boom arm, and the A20 speakers. So I have actually been using the H9 headset for quite a while now. I thought out this video. I'm also going to compare the new H13s against the H9 to see if it's actually an upgrade or just a newer version. Let's get everything unboxing and see what we're working with. Starting with a Fifine H13 headset. Inside of the box, you get the headset itself and a USB cable and a user document. And also you get the microphone coming with the headset, which I will be testing later. The first impression, the headset looks really clean and it has RGB lighting on the sides and it's actually a clean looking design. The overall design feels more premium than I expected. The flexibility on these headsets is amazing. The earbuds are soft and comfortable, and the headband has enough padding that it doesn't feel uncomfortable even after wearing it for a while. So here in the middle we got the 7.1 surround audio mode, and now here you can select between music, game mode, and movie mode. On the side you have an audio volume and a mic mute button. On the other side there is a mic and game audio, so you can balance between your game and your mic. Also down here, which most of the headphones don't have, it is a noise cancellation button, so it reduces background noise and keeps it professional. Compared to the H9, the H13 definitely feels more refined. The build quality is similar, but the H13 has a more modern looking and feels slightly more premium in hand. Now let's talk about the audio quality, because that's what really matters. After using it for gaming, videos, and music, I noticed the H13 sounds a little cleaner than the H9. The footsteps are easier to hear in games, and the voice sounds more detailed. Bass is still there, but it doesn't overpower everything else. Overall, the sounds feel more balanced. If you already own the H9s, I wouldn't say the difference is massive, but it is noticeable, and the H13 sounds cleaner and more polished. For gaming specifically, I will test it in Fortnite, and I had no problem hearing footsteps, gunfire, directions, and other important audios. The microphone quality is also solid. This is what the H13 microphone sounds like directly connected through the USB. This is a mic from the headset Fifine H13, and to be honest, I'm actually surprised. This sounds way too good. Like I was expecting something good, because as I said, I have the H9 for like months now, and the microphone is actually very good, but the H13's microphone is way too good. Like, this sounds like a professional mic. For the headset, the mic is actually pretty decent and definitely usable for gaming, Discord calls, and casual content creator. Next up is probably the product I was more excited to test, the Fifine AM8 Pro microphone kit. Right away, the presentation looks great. Inside of the box, you get the microphone, and also you get the cable, which is actually very long. Here, this is the mount, so you can mount the arm to your desk or whatever you want. Also over here, we have the RGB boom arm and everything needed to get started. Okay, so here we got the boom arm with the cable as well. And this is a good cable. 1 second. So you can put it as a Type-C as well. It's not just like a USB, it also has a Type-C connection. So let's plug it in. And bro, this is so cool. Like, it's actually so cool. It looks so good. Like, look at the RGB. And it's actually pretty, like, not easy to move around, which I like it, because you can hold a lot of weight. So if you have like a big microphone. And it's actually long as well. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but this is actually pretty long. Okay, look at this. Come on, look at this. This is actually so cool. And you also, on top over here, you have a small button that you can switch the RGB, as you can see. So let's try to switch it. You have this cool color going like this. Also full red. This is actually good. Okay, so now it's like you can customize whatever color you want. So it's like you can literally perfectly blend it in with your desktop and make it look so good. You can also control the RGB of the boom arm. Same way for the microphone from the Fifine website, which is actually so good. Okay, so this is the Fifine AM8 Pro microphone audio. Compared to a typical headset microphone, the difference is pretty obvious. Let's be honest. The audio sounds much fuller, cleaner, and more professional. Okay, I'm not gonna move it around because it sounds, it sounds bad when I move it. Compared to a typical headset microphone, this is a pretty, background noise is controlled really well, and my voice sounds much richer overall. For streaming, YouTube videos, Discord, online meetings, this microphone does a really good job. Honestly, this is probably my favorite product out of all three, because it makes the biggest difference in a day-to-day use. And over here, if you switch it, okay, let me turn it around so you guys can see it better. Over here, you can control the mic volume, how much you want it. You want lower audio, you put it like this. You want full, you do it like this. And here you have the headset, and here you can control both of them. So if you want to hear both of them half and you don't want to hear like full microphone. And over here, there's a touch mute button, which is actually really cool. It's not a button. It's literally, you just have to swipe with your finger. Just see, that's it. You don't have to do anything. It's actually really cool. And over here, as I said before, there's an AXLR. This is the headset, the port that you can put in, and this is the USB port. And also over here, there's a RGB switch button that you can switch the colors and put it whatever you want. It doesn't matter, whatever you like is good. Also, you can use the Fifine website to control the microphone, and you have more settings there as well. If you want to control the microphone and have like more professional audio. And to prove that this is the microphone, here's a test. It's a full metal. So yeah, this is the microphone. Finally, let's check out the Fifine A20 speakers. The setup process is super simple. Plug them in, place them on your desk, and you're ready to go. Design-wise, they're fit nicely into gaming setup with the RGB lighting matching the other products. As for sound quality, I was actually surprised. For the compact desktop speakers, they get pretty loud and super clear. The bass isn't going to complete the dedicated, obviously, but for gaming, YouTube, music, and everyday use, they perform really well. So after testing everything, here's the overall opinion. The H13 is nice improvement over the H9s, which sounds way better and more modern design and more premium feel. The AM Pro microphone kit is probably the standout product here and delivers a huge upgrade in audio quality. And the A20 speakers are solid addition if you want a better sound for your setup without spending a lot. Overall, Fifine did a pretty good job. I was genuinely impressed by how everything performed. Let me know in the comments which product you favorite, and I will leave the links in the description for each product so you guys can check them out.